Hey YouTube, just making a little quick video about my front yard renovation. Really wanted to do something with the front yard because it was, not pretty. Had a lot of weeds, a lot of yellow grass. Always had a hard time actually keeping the front yard well maintained. So I decided to do something that was very low maintenance. I put in a front tree. This is a crepe myrtle red dynamite tree, and I actually started making little designs on my iPhone via the photo edit markup. So I was just drawing it in, just to get an idea of what it may possibly look like. And the brown is going to be the mulch, the white is going to be the white rock. So I was just kind of playing with it, trying to see what looks good, what doesn't. So, not the best drawing ever, but it gave me a good idea of what it may look like. So when I was satisfied with something, I actually went ahead and started digging. And this is kind of what I designed. I started digging around the concrete, any kind of hard surface, because I did not want any risk of weeds coming through. So I made sure I dug, pretty heavily around those areas. So this is just a view in the back of what it looks like. Just to see, you could see the curvature of the outline. So another shot of what the curves look like. So anywhere where it curves like that, I'm gonna have a little trim on top to follow those curves. So that's gonna be the little design that I came up with. A little front yard, but I had to do something so it won't look as boring. So this is just a shot from the back, but the front door. So here are all the plants that I had originally. I just realigned everything. We got lavender in the back. I don't know what that thing in the corner is, but anyways, here is just a little area by the hose. We put a few plants in there. Here is the actual weed fabric and the trim that I put down. Weed fabric is called Dewitt Pro 5 Weed Barrier Fabric, and the trim is called Mastermark Plastic Edging Board. I got this all on Amazon. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it wasn't too much. And pretty much I got everything on Amazon other than the plants and the trees. Of course, I got the material that I'm going to be getting, like the mulch and the rock, is going to be from a local landscaping company. So yeah, that's not Amazon. Anyways, so here is just another shot of what it looks like, the design, the trim. Put the weed fabric everywhere. Made sure that it was on all the edges, so there won't be any weeds coming up. And that's the last thing I want to do is pull weeds in a low maintenance front yard. Anyway, so here's just a front view, or another view of it. So here I got 4 cubic yards of, it's called 3/4 Dolomite white rock. And here is 4 cubic yards of the mulch. It's a medium bark. So I got too much. It was a little bit of overkill, but whatever. Here is actually the final result. So, white rock on the outside, mulch on the inside. The design looks okay. It's a very small front yard. So for the size of the yard, I think this design looks okay. A lot of neighbors did come up to me and they complimented the front yard, which is nice. I just really wanted to have something that was very low maintenance, so I didn't have to water or mow the lawn or anything like that in the front yard, because it was a very small front yard. But overall, it was okay. Cost me about $1,000, I think, for everything beginning to end. So not bad, especially for a DIY project. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.